Hi, I'm Faith, and today is day 22 of the Flylady's Beginner Baby Steps for getting your home and life in order. We'll continue working on our previous habits for our morning and before bed routines. I made sure to list all of these steps down in the description. Have you been procrastinating from building your own control journal? The control journals that we're building is like a manual for our homemaking. This is where we'll list and keep track of our routines and habits that we're building. We won't be building a control journal overnight. We just need to build a control journal that will work for us. I will have the link to the Flylady's blog post on building your own control journal in 15 steps down in the description. So far in my control journal, I have a pencil pouch with my pens, pencils, and other accessories, my routines and habits that we're working on, and I made sure to put the papers inside these sheet protectors. This way, I can use a dry and erase marker to check off my list as I go through it. I also added extra paper just in case I need them, and the Flylady baby steps that we're working on. Today, I'm going to set my timer for 15 minutes to work on my control journal. I'm going to add dividers to my binder so I can have sections in my binder for my daily routines, weekly plan, inspirational section, and a section for emergencies. I will skip straight to step 5 from the Flylady's blog post, which is a weekly home blessing hour. I personally didn't want to work on my daily routine sections because these baby steps are helping us to put together our routines one day at a time. I'm just going to copy and paste the weekly task from the post and print it off. Afterwards, I'm going to put the weekly home blessing page in a sheet protector. This is just a starting point for me, and I will continue looking through the blog post to see what else I can add to my control journal. Click the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more homemaking videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Bye!